Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 10BD. This form is crucial for organizations that receive donations and wish to provide tax benefits to their donors. It helps maintain transparency in financial transactions and ensures compliance with the income tax laws. Understanding this process is vital for both the organization and its generous contributors, as it directly impacts the tax deductions available. We will guide you through each necessary step to complete your filing accurately and efficiently, ensuring all requirements are met. Before you begin the online filing process, it is essential to gather all the necessary information. This includes comprehensive details about each donor, such as their permanent account number, Aadhaar number, and full address. You will also need accurate records of all donations received, including the exact amounts and the dates they were made. Additionally, confirm that your organization's registration details are up to date and readily available, as these will be required for verification during submission. The actual filing process begins on the Income Tax e-filing portal. First, log in with your organization's valid credentials. Once inside, locate the e-file menu and proceed to Income Tax Forms. From there, select Form 10BD. Carefully enter all the requested information regarding your donors and the donations received. Pay close attention to detail to avoid errors. Finally, upload any supporting documents that are required, ensuring they meet the specified format and size requirements for a smooth submission. After completing all sections, it is absolutely critical to meticulously verify every piece of information you have entered. Double-check donor details, donation amounts, and dates for accuracy. Once confident, submit the form using either a valid digital signature certificate or an electronic verification code. Upon successful submission, immediately download and save the acknowledgement receipt. This is your proof of filing. Remember, timely submission is paramount to avoid any potential penalties and to ensure your organization remains fully compliant with all tax regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.